Hey guys, so let's get straight on with this video. I already have did like 90% of the hair. I'm just gonna show you like a portion that I would do on camera. Um yeah, but this crimping stuff is mad hard. Let me tell y'all, it's mad hard. You have to have patience for it, and like it's just tedious. And I was just using this redhead crimp thingy. Let me just tell y'all, I don't really like it like that because it's really bulky and it's very uncomfortable when you're holding it in your hands. Like, you have to squeeze it really tight for it to really clamp, and that's like one of the issues I have with it. And it won't really crimp the hair unless the hair is like fully heated. Well, the iron, if it's fully heated. If it's not fully heated, then it's not really gonna crimp. It has an adjustment thing that you can adjust the heat, but like the way you hold it, you can kind of like slip the heat adjustment. Like, it's right underneath my thumb, and you won't even realize that you adjusted the heat. Like, that's what I was noticing throughout doing my hair, which is why some of the actual crimps was coming out different. Like, they were coming out weird. Like, I don't know, like they weren't coming out the way I wanted to come out, the way it should have came out. But yeah, like, I like the product. It's not bad. It was $40 in Target, but like it's not something that I would, repurchase again. But um it's like on the affordable side, so I wouldn't mind recommending it to you guys. However, it's not something that I would like use on a daily basis because of how bulky and uncomfortable it is to hold in the hands, and it's not really sleek. So yeah, so as you can see me just crimping it, and I'm holding the hair at the same time to kind of help me adjust the hair into the crimp, because you want to have that perfect alignment, which is why I said you need a lot of patience. So I'm gonna just stop talking and let you guys finish watching the video. So guys, I'm gonna start off with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and you're gonna see me using a brush to kind of tint my cap. And I typically do this majority of the time when I'm applying wigs, because I feel as though that even though I am light skinned and the lace is kind of, well, the cap is kind of like supposed to be transparent to my skin color, I feel like that's dead not my skin color. So, and y'all could see that's dead not my skin color, so that's why um I just apply the eyeshadow to make it slightly darker. It's more like a mesh of my skin complexion. It's more like a little bit of a brown in it. I'm not brown. It's not what I'm trying to say. It's just that the top of your forehead is always a little bit contoured. It has that shadowy effect to it. So you always want to kind of just apply a little bit of shadow that is slightly darker than your skin complexion, so that the lace could just mesh in. So I'm gonna just be cutting that off, and I'm gonna be taking my time so that this lace can mesh in perfect, y'all. So I'm gonna let y'all watch that portion. So what I'm going in is with Ghost Bond glue, and as you can see, y'all, I dead hate that glue, but you know, some of these stores, these beauty supply stores, they got long lines, and I honestly don't feel like going to buy new glue, so I just use what I had. And I'm just gonna take a little bit on that spoolie, as you can see, and just apply it vigorously around my forehead, you know. I don't apply too much of the glue because it kind of breaks me out a little bit. Just a little bit. It breaks me out a little bit, and I really don't like that. So I just take a little bit of it and I apply like 2 thin layers of it, and just, yeah. As you can see, I was messing up in the beginning. I don't know why, but my hands were shaking. But yeah, I'm gonna let y'all go. I'm gonna let y'all watch the rest. So you want to just make sure that the glue dries really clear and that you don't see a speck of it, so that when you blend in the lace, that the glue doesn't look funky, you know, because you're gonna be sweating and you're gonna be in the pool, you're gonna be doing mad stuff, so you don't want it to like be all crumbled up in the front. So just make sure that the glue is really clear. So as you can see, I'm gonna just be pulling it up forward and kind of measuring how I want it, and then I'm gonna take my time like applying the lace down and just meshing it into my scalp. So just keep on watching.